Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home education. Whether you're considering it for your family or just curious, we'll explore the expectations, strengths, and weaknesses of this unique learning journey. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about expectations. Many families turn to home education with specific hopes in mind. Common expectations include personalized learning. Many parents expect to tailor their child's education to fit their learning style and pace. Flexibility. Home education allows for a more flexible schedule, which can be great for families who travel or have diverse commitments. Stronger family bonds. Parents often hope that home education will strengthen their relationships with their children. Focus on values. Some families want to instill specific values or beliefs that they feel may not be prioritized in traditional schools. Now, let's talk about the strengths of home education. There are plenty of reasons why families choose this path. Customized curriculum. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to customize the curriculum. This means your child can spend more time on subjects they love and less on those they struggle with. Enhanced learning environment. Home education often allows for a more comfortable and less distracting environment, which can lead to deeper focus. Life skills development. Kids can learn practical skills, like cooking or budgeting, alongside academic subjects, preparing them for real-world challenges. Stronger community connections. Many home educators find a supportive community, leading to enriching social experiences and shared resources. Time and commitment. Home education requires a significant time commitment from parents. Balancing teaching, planning, and daily responsibilities can be overwhelming. Resource limitations. Not all families have access to diverse educational resources or extracurricular activities, which can limit a child's exposure. Socialization concerns. There can be concerns about socialization. While many home-educated kids thrive socially, parents need to be proactive in providing social opportunities. Potential gaps in knowledge. Without formal training, some parents may struggle to cover all subjects effectively, leading to potential gaps in their child's education. In conclusion, home education offers a unique set of expectations, strengths, and weaknesses. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and each family's journey will look different. If you're considering home education, weigh these factors carefully and connect with other families for support. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts or experiences with home education in the comments below. See you next time.